Hi everyone, welcome back in English class. Now we are going to explain how something happens. It means that we are going to discuss about explanation text. This text belongs to scientific text. Well, have you ever been curious with the natural phenomena such as rain, earthquake, tsunami, volcanoes, eruption, or thunder? Well, let's take a look at this example. How the rain happens. The phenomenon of rain is actually a water circle. The Earth's surface water is heated by the sun, and this causes the surface water to evaporate. The water vapor then rises into the Earth's atmosphere. The water in the atmosphere cools and condenses into liquid droplets. The droplets grow until they are heavy and fall to the earth. Outstanding, isn't it? Well, explanation is a text which tells processes relating to forming of natural, social, scientific, and cultural phenomena. Explanation text is to say why and how of the forming of the phenomenon. It is often found in science, geography, and history textbook. From this definition and the example before, we can say that the social functions of the explanation text is to explain how or why something happens, or to tell why and how of the forming of the phenomena. It can be natural phenomenon or social phenomenon. How about the generic structures of explanation text? Well, the first one is general statement or introduction, and the second is a sequence explanations of the step. Here you are. The general statement in the text how the rain happens is in the beginning. It can be definitions like rain is the primary source of fresh water for most areas of the world. Or it can be a questions like, however, how does the rain happen? Okay, and then the next text is explanation sequences, means that there are some sequences about how the rain happened. Here, the sequence of explanations of the rain. The phenomenon of rain is actually a water circle. The Earth's surface water is heated by the sun, and this causes the surface water to evaporate. The water vapor then rises into Earth's atmosphere. The water in the atmosphere cools and condenses into liquid droplets. The droplets go until they are heavy and fall to the earth, and so on. How about the language features of explanation text? First, focus on generic non-human participants or things, like in the example, so focus on rain. Next, use of present tense, like rain provides us life. The third is use of passive voice. For example, the Earth's surface water is heated by the sun. The fourth, use of technical terms such as atmosphere, pressure, and many more. The next use of action verbs like grow, fall, and next use of conjunctions and or however, for example. Well, that's all about explanation text. And then class, you may search any kinds of informations that you want to know more about explanation text by searching in the internet or finding in your book. Thank you very much for today and then keep studying.